maneuver to the left in front of this ute, this car, anywhere, and do a 3.10. When examiner says you can park it anywhere, so you want to find a place next to where there are no cars, so you have more kind of space to turn when you're going through your 3.10. A bit harsh brake here, so Ruby is gonna get marked for control and gonna get a minor error. She did a good job here by looking up and down the road and looked back before and while reversing. That was a close call, however she made it.